See money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing the AEM intakes for the 370Z. The long tube intakes. It's actually a really well made intake. It's electronically tuned. It's got a real nice finish. I got like a dark grey steel finish. It comes with all the hardware, it comes with everything, and there's an install instructions on their website. I went and laid out the intakes roughly where they will go. It comes with their own washer bottle relocation kit. The intakes itself are really well made. I'm not sure what diameter the pipes are, but they're really well made. Now the instructions didn't say take off the front bumper, but I think that would make it a bit easier to take off the front bumper. But yeah, let's get into it. First off, we're gonna have to take off the strut bar, take off the engine cover, and then take off all the oil intake. So now we'll just take off the engine cover, and then we'll start on the intakes. So you don't have to take off the whole engine cover. I just took off the bottom half because all you need to access is just this and this here, and everything else is in reach. And now let's start on the intakes. We get started on the intakes. All you pretty much need is just flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. All the instructions, all the install instructions, everything I'm about to do is on the website. It's on the AEM website. But yeah, let's start. Taking out one side of the intake. Wasn't too bad, easy enough. Now onto the passenger side. Both airboxes, stock intakes are out. I'll put the maths somewhere safe. You don't want to lose them at all. That's all we need there. What I want to do is take off the front bumper, take the shield off, take off the scoops, and yeah, we'll go from there. Cool, so let's install these intakes. I've already gone and installed all like the PCV like hoses and everything like that. Yeah, let's do it. One side done. It made it easier for me to take off the fender lining, just so I could feed it through, because this bend here, it does hit this, and plus there's all these wires and there's an AC line there that gets caught. Now onto the next side. I think this side will be a bit easier. Alright guys, finally done it. I have installed both the intakes. I haven't installed the washer bottle yet. That will come a bit later. I might do it today, might do it tomorrow, I'm not sure. But both intakes are in. It looks pretty nice. It makes the engine bay look really, really clean. Pretty happy with it. Yeah, let's have a look. The install was really easy. It came out really clean, really nice. I'm really happy with it. The pod filters on each side aren't even. I think that's just my OCD. Put everything back together, put the front bumper on, and then I'll go for a drive, see if I can feel any difference from the stock airbox. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I helped some of you guys, and yeah, cheers for tuning in.